Hello and welcome to Bottoms Down, Chair Yoga for Everyone, the Donki Briefs series. I'm Carol. I'm glad you joined us today. Donki Briefs is all about taking a little break from your day, being kind to yourself, and moving through a few yoga poses and movements. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget it's free. And we'd love to hear from you, so leave me a comment. Now in today's practice, we're going to explore poses to relax. You only need a chair for today's class, and let's get started. So we're going to take a few moments to focus on the breath, which can be a great way to relieve tension. So the first thing we're going to do is place our hand on our heart. And I want you to just breathe. So we're breathing, and this is just a chest breath. So we're just breathing in and out. So feel what's happening at your chest, breathing in and out. And again, do that again. One more time. All right, very good. Now we're going to place our hand on our belly. We're going to do the same thing. So just inhale and exhale, feeling what's happening in the belly as you inhale and exhale. Let's do that again. Inhale and exhale. Let's do that again. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale. Just breathe normally. Okay, now we're going to move our hands to our rib cage. So this is a side breath. So as we inhale, I want you to see if you can feel the ribs expand. And then as you exhale, see if you can feel those ribs knitting back together. So let's do that. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's do that one more time. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hands back down to your side and just breathe normally. So now just think about it. Is one of those ways of breathing make the tension a little bit easier than any of the others? So if you find one that'll ease that tension, then maybe you kind of focus in on that particular breath. Or maybe you do all three, right? They're all three great for that tension relief. So next we're going to focus on the neck. So the first thing we're going to do is just let your ear fall towards your shoulder. So just feeling that stretch, your own range of motion here. And now we're going to take that hand, the hand of the side that you're stretching, and we're just going to place it, just rest it lightly on the head. Okay, so I don't want you to really pull on anything, but just having the weight of the hand is going to make a difference here. And then the final thing we're going to add to that is we're going to extend that opposite arm out towards the wall beside us. So you're flexing the wrist and you're pushing through the palm. Just one more breath here. Okay, we're going to bring that hand down first, and then we're going to take the hand off of the head, and then we're going to lift that head up. Now we're going to tuck our chin down towards our lap, so we're looking down. And again, I want you to get that natural range of motion first. Now you're going to lift your hands up and place them lightly on the head. Bring the elbows down towards the floor. And you're not really pulling on the head. You're just letting the weight of your hands and the elbows give that neck a little extra stretch. We just have one more breath here. Okay, bring the hands off of the head first, and then bring that gaze back up center. Let's do the other side. So we're going to drop that ear towards the shoulder, and we're going to hold this for just a couple of breaths first. Then we're going to reach up and we're going to place the hand lightly on the head. Opposite arm extends. Push through the palm of the hand towards the wall beside you. One more breath. Bring the hand down, take the hand off of the head, and lift that head up. Okay, we're going to do that one more time. Here we go. Drop the ear down. Hand on the head. Opposite arm extends. Hold and breathe. Just one more breath. Bring the hand down. The opposite hand comes off of the head. Lift the head up. All right, let's do the tuck the chin down. We're looking down at our lap. Let's bring those hands up. Place them on the back of the head. Bring the elbows down towards the floor and feel the stretch. One more breath. Bring the hands down, lift your head up. Other side, here we go. So let that head fall first. Then reach up with the hand and place it lightly. Remember, we're not pulling or tugging. Opposite arm extends, pushing through the palm, trying to touch the wall beside you. One more breath here. Bring that hand down, take the hand off of the head, and lift that head up. All right. Very good. How does that feel, right? Nice little neck stretch there. So we're going to move into a seated child's pose. So if you'll move a little bit forward in your chair, so you've got a little range of motion here, a little bit, be able to move. And we're going to take our feet just a little bit wide. So I want you to have the legs a little bit wide. Now, you're going to take your hands and you're going to place them. So I'm going to rest the forearms on my legs. My palms are facing down. And then all I want you to do is just begin to lower your heart towards your thighs. Okay? So you're letting your upper body is supported because your arms are on those thighs. Okay? So we're just letting that heart fall forward. Go ahead and tuck the chin. So now I'm just letting my head hang out for just a couple of breaths. One more breath here. And then I'm going to slowly roll back up into a seated position, okay? So let's do that one more time. Let the heart fall forward. Hands are on those legs. Let the heart fall. Tuck the chin so the head is kind of hanging out here. And we're going to roll it up slowly. Okay? Now you can keep doing that same version, but the final thing, if you want to try it, you're going to bring your feet together. We're going to begin to let that heart fall. Actually, you want the feet to be a little bit apart so your belly has a place to hang out. You're going to let that heart fall again. Now, reach behind your legs and clasp your elbows together. Let the head fall. Just have one more breath here. Release the elbows and then go ahead and roll it up into a seated position. So thank you so much for joining me today for our Donki Briefs, and I will see you next time.